In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Discord event. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find events in a server, how to RSVP so you don't miss them, and how to join right when they go live. Start by opening Discord and heading into the specific server where the event is scheduled. Make sure you're in the correct server, especially if you're part of several communities. If you don't see the event later on, it's often because you're in a different server, or you don't have access to that channel. So double-check you're in the right place. Next, look in the left sidebar for the Events area. It may appear as an Events section with a calendar icon, or as a visible listing near the top of the channel list. On mobile, the layout is slightly different, but you'll still find events tied to the server's main view. If you don't see any events, it might mean none are scheduled, or your role doesn't allow you to view them. Click the event you want to attend to open its details. Here you'll see the event's name, date and time, and a description that usually tells you what to expect. Pay attention to the time zone shown on your device. Discord typically localizes times for you, but it never hurts to confirm. If the event includes a voice channel or a stage channel, you'll see that referenced here as well, so you know how you'll be joining when it starts. Use the Interested or Going button to respond. Choosing Interested is a good way to get reminded without fully committing, while Going shows you as attending and also helps you receive notifications when the event begins. You can change your response at any time. To make sure you get alerts, check that you haven't muted the server or the event channel, and that your Discord notifications are enabled on your device. When the event goes live at the scheduled time, a Join button will appear on the event page. Click Join to enter directly. If it's a voice channel or stage, you'll be connected to audio. In a stage, you'll join as a listener by default, and the host can invite you to speak. Before joining, it's smart to have your microphone and headphones ready and to minimize background noise. If you run into trouble, try reloading the event page right at start time. That's it. Open the server, find events, select your event, mark Interested or Going, and hit Join when it's live. You'll never miss a community moment again.